Hello family, you are welcome back. Thank you for clicking on this video. I want to say a very big thank you to all of you, my returning subscribers and my new viewers. You are warmly welcome. I really appreciate you all for your support. Keep them coming. I really love it. And your support and your love is not taken for granted. I appreciate all of you. Thank you. Guys, in today's video, we are making plantain puff puff. And if you haven't tried it already, you want to stay with me while I take you through this process. And this is something that you don't want to miss out because plantain puff puff is very yummy and delicious. Okay, so after blending my ripe plantain, I'm going to set it aside and then the recipe begins. So to my mixing bowl, I'm going to add my all-purpose flour. I'm also going to add a pinch of salt, and then I'm going to add nutmeg, okay, which you can substitute for cinnamon powder. I also have my sugar with me. I'm going to add this. Then I'm also going to add my yeast. I want to make sure that every ingredient or all my dry ingredients are really mixed or well incorporated. So after this, I'm going to add my blended plantain before I go in with my warm milk. Okay, so if you don't have milk at home, you can use warm water, and we are using warm liquids to help us or help our yeast to proof well or to activate well. Okay, so after this, I'm going to make sure that I use my hand to mix every ingredient you see right here very well to avoid lumps. And the next I will do is to cover this, leave it for about 40 minutes in a warm place before I can go ahead and fry. So today's video is in collaboration with my sweet sis, Obas Corner, and you really want to check her out. She has an amazing channel. She has a lot of recipes over there. Her videos are top notch and she really cooks well. She's a great chef. You really want to check her out, okay? And don't just check her out. I'm going to leave her link in the description box for you. Just click on the link. It will direct you straight to her channel. After you see or get to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Turn on bell notification for more recipes from her, and you are going to love her. Thank you for doing that. God bless you. Guys, so at this point, it's time to fry my puff puff. So what I am going to do after testing my oil is to scoop in my puff puff, and I have shown a lot of easy ways to scoop in your puff puff to get the correct shape. You have seen this all over my puff puff videos if you have checked them out. So if you haven't, don't hesitate. I have a lot of puff puff recipes over here, beginner friendly and all that. Okay, so at this point, if your heat is still high, you want to reduce it to a medium heat in order not to get your puff puff burns. Okay, you leave your puff puff to enjoy the warm oil and all that. Okay, all right. So at this point, if you're not part of this family, you want to click on that subscribe button. You want to turn on bell notification. Anytime I upload a new video, you are going to be notified. Guys, don't forget, you are free to watch any other video on this channel. I already have plantain muffin over here, and you want to check it out. I'm going to leave the link also in the description box for you. It's so yummy. Your kids are going to love it, and you don't want to miss out on that. You really want to check it out. Okay, so when you are making puff puff, all right, what you want to note that the puff puff is supposed to be turning on its own, but if it doesn't, you just turn it yourself. Be turning it so that you don't get it burns. Okay, so guys, this is the end result. Okay, I'm going to break or cut my puff puff open for you to see how it came out. I personally love plantain and banana puff puff. So if you haven't seen banana puff puff recipe from me yet, I will also leave it in the description box. I'm going to leave all the links in the description box so it makes easier for you to access it. Okay, so thank you. Let's just open it and see how yummy this is looking already. Have you seen that? Very soft, delicious, and I just need a cup of cocoa and that's all. So guys, thank you very much for being here today. I really appreciate you. I'm going to see you definitely in my next video. Take care. Bye.